Hey guys, iRONiX Media here, and I'm yet back with another video and also a question. Do you have an old laptop maybe just lying around somewhere collecting dust, and you've even tried to search for buyers to buy it, but it's been unsuccessful? Well, before you toss it out, allow me to show you a couple of things you can do with it. Let's dive in. Now, first things first, let's talk about upgrades. You see, even old laptops can feel new with just a few tweaks. One of the game changers is upgrading storage. For example, if your laptop has an old hard disk drive, you can go ahead and swap it out and replace it with an SSD. And nowadays, SSDs are affordable, and trust me, they are going to enhance the speed of your laptop. So if your laptop has a hard disk drive, you can go ahead and replace it with an SSD, and while you're doing that, you may also consider adding more RAM if your laptop supports it. And trust me, by doing this, you're going to notice the difference. Now, number 2. If your laptop hardware is too old to handle an operating system like Windows, then why not just try a lightweight operating system like Ubuntu, Linux, or even Parrot OS. The operating systems I've just mentioned, plus a bunch of others, are free, and they are also designed to run in older machines as well. Now, another thing you can do is turning that laptop into a learning device for kids. We are in a world where technology is now evolving, and I believe that everybody by now needs to have computer basics. And I believe one of the ways you can equip the upcoming generation with computer basics is by doing this step that I've mentioned. You can opt to load it with educational software and even free games which can engage with kids, and it's going to be perfect for school projects. And of course, it's not going to give them the latest experience, like it's not going to give them the latest Windows version experience, but come on, we all start from somewhere, right? Another thing you can do is turn it into a media center. And in order to do this, you can install apps like Plex or Kodi, and by doing this, you'll have a dedicated machine to watch movies and even stream music, especially nowadays that people are streaming music. And by the way, if your laptop also has a HDMI port or even a display port, you can opt to project whatever it is that you are watching on a wider screen for a wider image experience. Now, if you really don't want it and you just want to sell it, then you can opt to use the online method by posting it on online platforms. But before you do that, first of all, you need to clean it up, of course, and also reset it and remove any kind of programs or even personal files that were in that laptop. You can also decide to go an extra mile and upgrade it where possible in order to add more quality to it. And after that, you can list it on platforms like GG or even pigiami.com. Who knows, there might be a buyer out there looking for parts or even a budget option. But remember that the price has to reflect its age and performance. And there you have it, folks. With just a little effort, your old laptop can be reused again or even find a new home. Now, let me hear you guys in the comment section down below. Have you ever had an old laptop, and how did you repurpose it? Feel free to share your ideas, and even as you do that, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. It's been iRONiX Media, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.